as good as there's been. He can do it all. You know, he's obviously got good size, freakish athletic ability, good ball skills. He's tough, not afraid to hit you. When he's on offense and runs the ball, he runs it hard. He can make you miss, run through you. You know, my years of coaching, he's as good as there is.
Recruited guy out of high school, track athlete. You know, everybody was aware of him. I think this year, you know, to me, he really jumps out on tape. How physical he is and how fast he is on defense, and then his playmaking ability on special teams and sometimes on offense as well. So impressed with those guys.
I want to see number 5 take one to the house. Well, now Peppers will take the ball at the 44. He'll return to the right. Now he's at the 40. He's at the 30. He's at the 25. He's at the 15 and 10 to 5. Touchdown to Jabrill Peppers.
He's got to be the best player in all of football. You know, I could care less about, you know, what people think, why I didn't play. You know, I'm just afraid I couldn't be out there with my brothers, man. I think that hurt more than the loss.
Side matched up against Campbell. Barrett looks the other direction, off the hands of Samuel, intercepted by Peppers. Look out. Brown.
Peppers finally forced out of bounds to 40.
Peppers, here he goes. Jabrill Peppers, turning on the speed, breaks the tackle, the cutback. Peppers, a touchdown.
Offense, defense, it's got to be Jabrill Peppers.
Peppers is an outstanding return guy, very aggressive. They use him on offense in multiple different areas and different places. I'm sure he'll have a minimum. If I say 5, Coach Harbaugh may put him in 6 different ways. So I'll say 2. Right. He's going to be in there, whether he's a quarterback, tailback, wide receiver, wherever he's at. We got to know where he's at when he's in the football game on offense. But he's a playmaker, and he's an aggressive playmaker on defense. That they're going to use as a blitzer, and you know, he's got coverage skills and things of that nature. So he's just an outstanding football player.